These plants do not look very well, and I think it's just time for them to be removed and plant some more. So good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're out in the garden doing our morning walkthrough, and being that we have had so much rain recently, I haven't been out in the garden as much as I would have liked to. And as such, I have a lot of work to do. One of the things we're going to do is in the zucchini and squash bed off to my left, we're going to remove the plants and do replanting of the bed. We're going to put in one or two black beauties and one or two squash plants. And then behind me here in the green bean bed, we're going to remove the plants from there. We also have to add another layer of string to our tomatoes over here. So as I said in previous video, these plants do not look very well, and I think it's just time for them to be removed and plant some more. So we're going to go ahead and take our loppers here and cut down the plant down at the base. And I'm going to put it in my bucket here and take it out to the burn pile. The plants definitely look as if they have powdery mildew, so I don't want that in my compost area. So we have the zucchini plants out. I'm going to go ahead and take these over to the burn pile and then come back for the squash. So we have all the zucchini and squash plants out. First of all, lessons learned from planting them: not to plant that many in the future. So we won't be doing that this time around. What I'm going to plant here are the Black Beauty zucchini, and I think I'm only going to plant two of those since the plants get relatively big. So we'll plant one here. So where's my drip line here? We'll plant one here. I have ants in the bed too, so I got to do something about that. And we'll plant one here. And then as far as the squash goes, we're going to go over to the other side. And this is a variety of squash I got from Holmes Seeds. And it's called Smooth Wonder. And I think I'm only going to plant a couple of those also. In the middle, I had planted okra. And because the plants, the zucchini and squash got so big, the okra was shaded out and never really grew. Although on this one plant here, I have one piece of okra that it is ready, and the plant is no more than 8 inches tall, if that tall. So hopefully with the bed open up, the two remaining okra plants will start to grow. Now the squash, we're going to plant one here, and we'll plant one down at this end. So as I said, the bed has what looks like ants in it. So I'm going to go ahead and get some ant granules and sprinkle it into the bed. And then we'll go over to the green bean bed. So we're here at the green bean bed, and I did a harvest from this bed a few days ago. The leaves and everything look real brown, as if they're dying. And I have a second planting of green beans already out in another bed, so I'm going to go ahead and remove these and also put these on the burn pile. Looking down, I see a lot of snails and plants looking diseased, so I think the best thing to do is just to remove them and let this bed sit for a while until I decide to do something else with it. Okay, all the bed, okay, all of the plants are out of the bed. We're going to go ahead and dump these onto the burn pile also. I'll come back with my hand rake and do a little cleaning up also, and then we'll move on over to the container tomatoes. So we're here at the tomatoes in the containers, and these, because of the rain, have been growing. Wow, I mean they're everywhere. So what I'm going to do is to try my best to straighten them up by adding another layer of the Florida weed. So on the T-post, I'm tying the string or twine to where the little clips are. This will be the fourth layer for these plants. And ones that are leaning over, like this one, I'm going to have to manually pull them back up before I string them. More. So we have the fourth layer of string onto the plants. And getting off subject for a moment, this is a huge tomato. I'm disappointed that it has split due to all the rain that we have been getting recently, but it's a big tomato. But as you can see, they're all tied back up now and standing up as best as I could get them. Now, we're probably going to have to come out. This one is loose, but we're probably going to have to come out again soon, sooner than the last time, and do another layer, a fifth layer, and maybe even a sixth or seventh layer of these tomatoes. But they're growing, and we will have an awful lot of tomatoes, and I'm looking forward to a decent harvest. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did a few chores, necessary chores. There are still more to do, but I'm not going to keep you any longer. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. On this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and vegetables for myself and my family, but I cannot grow a channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Oh, one more thing too. You may have noticed the new hat. This is a Father's Day gift from my youngest daughter. And I think I'm actually going to like this one better than the other one with the fans, because there are two of them. And it's not as top heavy right here in the middle. She said that she got it off Amazon. So if you're interested, you can head over there and get it. Until next time, take care.